Hello students, I am Cynthia from GEMS Polytechnic College. I am handling a subject called Estimating and Costing, and our subject code is 1615503. Okay, so we are in lecture 26. We are solving long wall and short wall method problems, okay, to do the estimation. Okay, so we have seen some example problems in the previous lectures. So these are the contents of the lecture. Okay, so we are going to see what is Longwall Shortwall method and the problems on based on Longwall Shortwall method. Okay, so here is the next problem for based on Longwall Shortwall method. Okay, so question: work out the excavation for foundation and use your masonry in foundation and plinth in centimeter 1:6 ratio by Longwall Shortwall method. So we will in the question itself they will give all the plan and section of the building. So we need to find the excavation for foundation, and the second one is we need to find the use your masonry in foundation. Okay, so we'll see the problem. Okay, so this one is the in the left side you can see, right, this is the plan of the building or room of our house. Okay, so what are the things is there? So we have kitchen room. Okay, so we have kitchen room, bedroom, then living room. Kitchen room dimension is 3 meter by 3.3 meter, then bedroom size is 3.2 meter by 3.3 meter, then the living room size is 4.6 meter by 3.3 meter. Okay, so these are the dimensions given. Then in the right side you can see this is a section of the section of this plan. Okay, okay, so now we are going to solve the problem. Okay, so here we have so in the plan itself you can see here we have the two problems we have already seen is based on first sum is based on the only the single room. Okay, so we can easily take just as L1, and we can just take L and we can do solve the problem. We have solved the problem, and the second sum we have seen is based on different some the L1 and L2 varies, right? We have drawn the outline diagram and we solved the problem like long wall, short wall, L1, L2, like that we have solved. Okay, so this is slightly this sum slightly varies from before sum. Okay, from the previous sums. Okay, so first we need to draw the outline diagram. Okay, so I'll just draw the outline diagram of a building. Okay, using the plan we need to draw the outline diagram. Just adding the wall thickness, we are going to draw this outline diagram. Okay, so we can take, so here you can see this dimension is 3 by 3.3. Okay, so 3 by 3.3 meter is the dimension of kitchen room. Then the bedroom size is 3.2 by 3.3. Okay, so the third living room size is 4.6 by 3.3. Okay, so we have to split the everything. Okay, so we have to calculate the value separately. So we can take this one as long wall 1, and this portion is long wall 2, and this portion, third portion, is long wall 3. Okay, if the dimension varies means you need to solve by this, then this one. Okay, then this one is short wall 1, and this portion is called as short wall 2. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, so how we can calculate the dimensions, LW1, LW2, how we can calculate? We need to just add the wall thickness. Okay, so 3 plus, okay, this is the breadth, right? So 3 plus 0.3, so LW1 equal to 3 plus 0.3, so 3.3 is the LW1. Then LW2 means this portion. Okay, so 3.2 is the breadth, so 3.2 plus 0.3 so 3.5. Then LW3 is 4.6, so 4.6 plus 0 0.3. So your answer is 4.9. Okay. So this is LW1, LW2, LW3. Then the next one is SW1. So SW1 equal to what? 3.3, right? That is the height, right? So 3.3 plus 0 0.6. So what will we get? 3.6 SW1. SW2 equal to 3.3 plus 0 0.3. So 3.6 here also. Okay. So using that, we are going to solve the problem. Okay, so using this values LW1, LW2 and LW3, we are going to do the first, we are going to find the excavation for foundation. Okay, so first one is excavation for foundation. So first we are going to find length for LW1. Okay. So LW1 equal to, so LW1 equal to what will we get? LW value is 3.3. So 3.3 plus the breadth of the item. So breadth of the item, we will just draw the section of the building. Okay. So this is the section of the section. So the breadth is 900 mm. Okay. um, this is the lime concrete, then UCR. Okay, so this is the diagram. Then this breadth is, it will be equal to 600 mm. Okay, then this second step, it will be equal to, the dimension is 500 mm. Okay. Okay, so 600 mm. Okay, so this is the ground level. So this is called as ground level. Um, this is the ground level. Then breadth, then height of the use your building. Okay, so height. So height equal to this one is 150 mm. 150 mm thick. Then 500 mm. Okay, 500 mm, and that second step dimension is totally 0 0.6. Okay, in the structure you can in the plan, in the section diagram you can see. Okay, so LW1. So LW1 equal to, the formula is the LW1 value. Okay, that is the central line length of the diagram. So 3.3 plus 0. Width of the item is 900 mm, so 0 0.9. So 3.3 plus 0 0.9 equal to 4.2. This is LW1, that is the length of the first one. Okay. Then similarly for LW2, LW2 means what will you get? 3.5 plus 0 0.9. So what will we get? 4.4. Okay. Then for LW3, so LW3 what will we get? 4.9 plus 0 0.9. So what will we get? 5.8. Then SW1. Okay, so for SW also we are the same thing, we need to find so 3. Okay, so what will we get? 3.6 SW1. Okay, so 3.6 minus the, for finding for short wall we will subtract, right? So 3.6 minus 0 0.9. So what will we get? 2.7. Then for SW2, SW2 equal to what will be find? 3.6, same thing. Okay, SW1 and SW2 value is same, but the n value is different. So only we are finding separately. Okay, so all the values we have found. So after that, what we need to do? We need to find the in the table. Okay, so every length we have found, then the n value. Okay, so n value for LW1. LW1, LW2, LW3, SW1, SW2. Okay, so n value. First one is n value. Okay, so n value I will put here. So n value equal to what? First one is so see, we need to see the wall. Okay, so LW1, you need to check if for a distance LW we have two wall, right? So we need to add 2 n. n equal to 2. Okay, then for LW2 also the same thing, so we need to n is 2. LW3, okay, so we have only one side. Okay, so we are adding 1. Then SW1. SW1 is what? There are three sides, right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay. 1, this portion, this portion, this portion. Also three sides. So three sides means what will we get? We will, the n is n equal to 3. Then for SW2, okay. So for SW2 we have two sides. So what we have, the n equal to 2. Okay, so the length value we will know. Okay, we have already solved. Then the breadth of everything equal to 0.9. Then height of everything equal to 0.65. Okay, so we need to add from the ground level, right? So 0.5 plus 0.15 equal to 0.65. Okay, so after multiplying all these values, by multiplying the number, length, breadth, and height and quantity, we will get the quantity of LW1, quantity of LW2, LW3, SW1, SW2. We will get all the values. Okay. So after that, what will we need to add everything. Okay. So the total quantity will be, the overall quantity will be of nearly 20. Okay, so 20.15 like that meter cube. Okay, so this is the total quantity of the building of for earthwork excavate sorry, for excavation for foundation. This the 20.15 meter cube, it will be of a total quantity of a building. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, then for we need to calculate for second one. Okay, so use your masonry. Okay, we are going to find out for use your masonry in foundation. Second one is use your. Okay, so use your masonry in centimeter in foundation and plinth. I'll just write use your. Okay, so you know the diagram, right? So for I will just draw the first step and second step diagram only I will draw. Okay, so what is the dimensions? First step, the dimension will be of 600 mm. Then the second step dimension. Okay, so second step dimension, it will be of 500 mm. Okay, then the depth. So depth will be of what is the depth of it? For first step, the depth will be of 500 mm. Then for the second step, the depth will be of 600 mm. 600 is we need to add all things. Okay, 0.2 plus 0.3 in the if we look at the plan means you can understand. So 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.1, we will get 0.6. Okay, so this is the first step and second step. So we are going to solve the problem, the same procedure. Okay, so step 1. So step 1, what will you find? The same thing, LW1. Okay, so LW1 means we need to, for LW1, we need to calculate the length. Okay, so LW1 means what are the things will be there? N equal to 2. Okay, so LW1 we have two sides, so N equal to 2. Then length. So length means what is the value of LW1? 3.3. So 3.3 plus the breadth of the item. So 3.3 plus 0. I'll just write for only one thing. Okay, so LW1 equal to 3.3 plus 0.9. Okay, so what will we get? LW1 equal to, for step 1, okay, it will be equal to, sorry, 0.3 plus 0.6, so 3.9. Okay, so similarly we need to calculate for everything. Okay, LW2. Okay, so for LW2, what will be the answer? LW2 value is 3.5. So 3.5 plus the width of the item, so equal to 4.1. Then for LW3, okay, so LW3 equal to, what is the value of LW3 we have found? 4.9. So 4.9 plus 0.6, so 5.5. Okay, then for SW1, okay, so SW1 value is 3.6. So 3.6 for SW1 and SW2, the same value. Okay, 3.6 plus, sorry, if we take short wall means we will just subtract, right? So 3.6 minus the, so 3.6, so 3.6 minus the width of the item. So, 3.6 minus the 0.6. So we will get 3. This is the SW1 and SW2 value. Okay, so this is for step 1. Okay, so then height equal to 0.5. Then breadth equal to, you can see in the diagram itself, we can see, right? So breadth equal to 0.6. So by multiplying the everything, we will get the quantity value. Okay, so quantity, total quantity, we will get some answer. Okay, we will get some value, that is the quantity. By we need to multiply the LWO1 value, we need to calculate separately. Okay, so LWO1, LW2, for everything we need to calculate separately. So we will get every for each and every item quantity we will get. Okay, then we need to calculate the sum of the item. Then for step 2, the same procedure, we need to calculate LW1, LW2, we need to calculate. At last we need to sum the two things. Okay, first one is excavation, right? So we need to calculate the sum of excavation plus the UCR. Okay, UCR step 1, step 2, all these things we need to sum every quantity values, and finally we will get on sum. Okay, like 40 point or something, we will get some answer. Okay, so that is the total quantity of excavation and UCR masonry for our structure. Okay, so this is the procedure to solve the if we have a different length or breadth. If for every room, if it is differs, means we need to solve using this method. Okay, and the next one. So after calculating every length, breadth and height and quantity, we need to fill here. Okay, so in the first item number, we need to put one earthwork excavation for foundation. Then in the first row, we need to write all LW1 values. LW1 description of in the description item of work, we need to write LW1. In the numbers 2, length 4.2, breadth is 0.9. Then the depth or height is 0.65. Then after multiplying, you will get the quantity. Okay, so using this table, we need to type for excavation also, and for also for user also, we need to type every details here. So this is the this is for this lecture. Okay, this is the problem for this lecture. So this is a summary of our we just saw the what is Longwall-Short method, and the problems based on Longwall-Short method we have seen. So in the next session, we will continue with the other problems. Okay, so other problems based on Longwall-Short method. So these are the books we need to refer for the subject. So that's it for this lecture 26. So in the next lecture, we will solve another problems, okay, based on Longwall-Short method. Thank you.